Capricorn, how are you doing? I hope you all are doing really good. This is Falguni and I'm here to do your mid-monthly September reading, and of course this is for your sign Capricorn, and this will not resonate with everyone. Please check your placements before you watch the reading. Also, the roles might get reversed, so please take it how it resonates with you. Also, I've been away for a long time now. I'll be more regular from now on. I'm very sorry for that. So let's begin and see what's in store for you, Capricorn, for this month of September in your love life. Let's see, Capricorn, what is in store for you for this month of September. What is in store for Capricorn in their love life for this month of September? What is in store for Capricorn for this month of September? What is in store for Capricorn for this month of September? What is in store for Capricorn for this month of September? What is in store for Capricorn for this month of September? Let's see. So we have, oh my god, beautiful energy, beautiful, best out of all the readings I've done today. So this is something you are getting victory, you getting success, you getting you coming out of, you know that this person is a source, you moving towards them with intensity, or that person is coming towards you with intensity. So there have been conflicts between you and this person in the past, or you have been facing conflicts, but now they're ready to clear the air with you. They're coming forward towards you to achieve that victory. They see you as the source of passion, they see you as the source of, they have a lot of feeling towards you, and they see that aura within you, that charm within you, if I might say, and you ignite, you ignite a lot of deep feelings and passion in that person, that I would say. And then they're coming towards you with a lot of intensity. They see you as the focus. Okay, so let's clarify this again, Capricorn. Let's see what is the success that this person is trying to achieve towards you. What is the success that this person is trying to achieve towards you? Let's see. Okay, let's see. So there has been a falling out, like I already told you. There were I could sense the conflicts between you. Someone has been very defensive, mentally stuck due to the fallout and everything. It was very shattering for them. Now they want success in the situation. They want to come to forward towards you with a lot of emotions and love in the situation. Very beautiful energy till now, best of the readings that I've done till now. So you can expect a reconciliation here. I can feel that. Okay, what is the source card here for? Let's see what is the source card here for. What is the source card here for? What is the source card here for? So source, I told you that they see you as the source of passion, magnetism and everything. So they are trying to manifest you, and they are earlier, they might have rejected you, or they might have ignored you due to conflicts, but now they are sure of manifesting you. They're trying to close the chapter that happened earlier. Whatever conflicts were there between you and them, they are trying to close that chapter. Also, they've been feeling out of focus. They have been feeling disappointed. They have been feeling low because of you were not there in their life, because they were missing you. A part of them wanted you, so they were not in a very happy state, and they want that commitment with you now. They see you as the source. Now let's see what is the intensity here about. Okay, Capricorn, let's see what is the intensity here about. What is the intensity here about? What is the intensity here about? Let's see, Capricorn, what is the intensity here about? What is the intensity here about? Okay, so let's see. So intensity, I told you that they are very much focused on you. They have been spying you, watching you from afar. They've been keeping tabs on you. They want to have that fulfilling commitment. This is the traditional card. They want the traditional relationship with you. They are ready to take forward this relationship, and they are ready to take the leap of faith with you. Very beautiful energy. Again the world card is there, so they are closing the chapter, they're closing the cycle, the negative cycle that was there between you two, and they're ready to proceed in the most positive way that one can expect them to. Very, very, very beautiful. Congratulations, and you can expect something really good to happen now. Okay, somebody wants that commitment, someone is ready for that commitment now. They're coming out of that past energy. So this is a more of a reconciliation, because there has been a falling out in the energy. Okay, let's see what is there for you in your career, Capricorn. What's coming towards you in your career for the month of September? What is coming towards you in your career for the month of September? Let's see, Capricorn, what's coming towards you in your career for the month of September. What's coming towards you in the month of September for career? Universe, please tell me what's coming towards Capricorn. So we have, okay, so you are in a contemplative energy this month. I can sense that you silently contemplating as to what to do, what not to do. You're not clear about it, and you're seeking clarity by, surrendering to the divine, or surrendering to the Almighty, surrendering to God. You are seeking for clarity on this situation. You are not sure of the path. You're not clear headed as of now. So you are trying to focus your energies by being reflective, by introspecting on what all you've done till now and what all needs to be done. You have choices. You have two choices, I mean two paths from which you can take, and therefore you're confused. Okay, so let's clarify the silence. Why are you silent in the situation? What is keeping you silent? Let's see what is keeping you silent, Capricorn. Let's see what is keeping you silent, Capricorn. Let's see, let's see, let's see. So you are silent because of the things that have been bothering you, burdening you, keeping you stuck. Okay, you are silent of certain things because earlier in the past maybe certain things have created a lot of burden for you. Okay, you were not expecting it to happen that way, and you were expecting some sort of communication from someone, some offer, some project or something, but did not happen that way, and that's why it created a lot of disappointment, burden, and that type of negative energy in you. So now you are contemplating that past decisions did not work out for you, so what you should do and what you should not do. You are now striving ahead very carefully. Okay, what is the consciousness here about? What are you looking towards? What is the clarity that you want? Let's see. So the clarity is, again, you are not able to see the picture clearly. Though it is in front of you, you are blindsided. I mean, you are closed off to seeing the truth of the situation. You are juggling between two things. Again, it has something has to do with your personal life also. It is possible that it's to do with your personal life as well, and or it is possible that you were committed to a certain project, a certain situation, a certain work atmosphere, but it did not give you that results, and you're not sure if you're committed towards it. You're not sure if you should continue working on that or not, because it is not giving you the results you expected. Though the truth is in front of you, but you are ignoring to see it. You think that maybe it will work out in future. you have that kind of mentality, and it is possible also because you have the wheel of fortune. So things are going to turn around for the better in the coming times, of course, and you are seeking help from the Almighty. You are seeking, you are praying that things should work out, things should work out. Maybe you have a heavy stake invested in this, that's why. Okay, so let's see what is the guidance you're seeking. So you've been disappointed, left in the cold and everything, so you are wanting that, this is a disappointment, left in the cold. Now you want that stability, that nurturing energy, that position, that power. You are looking towards it. You want all of that and a very stable, grounded beginning. So that is what you are aiming for and praying for, right? You will get it. There is a wheel of fortune that we saw, so of course you can expect that to happen. Okay, now we'll see. Okay, now we see the overall guidance of your this situation. What is the overall guidance for you in this situation? Overall guidance for Capricorn for the month of September. Overall guidance for Capricorn for the month of September. Overall guidance for Capricorn for the month of September. Overall guidance for Capricorn for the month of September. Overall guidance for Capricorn for the month of September. Overall guidance for Capricorn for the month of September. Let's see. Okay, so you can expect some sort of rebirth. You need to be hopeful that things can turn around for the better. Nothing is impossible. That is the guidance for you. So there is always a possibility of things turning around for the better. Okay, some things are there that die eventually, but here your guidance is things will turn around for the better. Stay put. So you need to realize the fact and understand this thing that things have the potential to turn around and change for the better. Okay, you need to understand that. Okay, so that is the reading for you, Capricorn. I will see you soon in my next reading. Till then, stay happy, stay safe and stay blessed. Thank you. Namaste.